give you some insight and energy about the co-parenting workshop that I'm doing with Beth Kawaja right now. It's being offered as a recorded video series, but you can also come on live with us. And what we were talking about today was just substance use, family substance use, your kids' substance use with teens, and how to address that. And the biggest takeaway that I got was this whole idea about remember what your developmental age is of your child and what they're trying to learn. And also, there's a developmental task of the family, which is giving the teen freedom, and also there's responsibility. So with substance use, we have to really reflect on our own genetic background, our own family history, how substances were dealt with, what we know to be true about them, the changes in our society, and also to reflect on your own substance use and how that's coming across to your teen. They're trying to figure it out for themselves. Part of this is another thing that they need to explore so that they can launch off and become a young adult. And it's so important for them to be able to figure out how to communicate about this, and for you to for you to be able to communicate with them what your substance use, or maybe you don't use substances, what that means to you and why. And there's a difference between their brain development and your brain development. And that doesn't mean that there's permission to abuse substances on either side, but there's a difference about how you both are affected differently biochemically. So being honest, being transparent, and continuing to try to be non-punitive but bonding as your child, as your teen is practicing in, exploring different parts of their life and different parts of their evolving world. So just thought I'd step in, tell you a little bit about some of the inspirations from the workshop today.